So, good evening, everyone, and welcome to this conference with le Cercle des Langues. This evening, we are going to be talking about pets and animals. Juste pour noter, I will be muting everybody's microphone. That means for the first 25 minutes of our conference, we will talk about tonight's topic, and for the last 5 minutes, we will have a question and answer. So please feel free to take notes if you would like, or put your questions into the chat. So let's look at what we will be speaking about this evening. This evening, we are talking about types of pets and adjectives. We will look at common animals and adjectives. We are going to look at animal habitats. And we are going to look at how do we take care of our pets. Let's begin. So, hello everyone. Today we are going to embark on a fun and informative journey through the world of animals and pets. Whether you are a dog lover, a cat person, or just someone fascinated by the animal kingdom, this presentation is for you. Donc, vous avez une petite traduction à droite. We'll be exploring different types of pets, learning about common animals, discovering some amazing fun facts, and understanding how to properly take care of our furry, feathered, and finned friends. Donc, un petit jeu de mots. Please have a pen and a notebook handy so you can review any new vocabulary afterwards. Let's begin. What are our different types of pets and adjectives? Let's begin by talking about the most common types of pets that we find. In fact, pets are animals that live with us and they can be great companions. So, therefore, each type of pet has unique traits and personalities. In the first image, we can see a bird. The second, we see a cat. The third, we see a dog. The fourth, we see a fish. And the last one is a rabbit. So we start with dogs. Dogs are one of the most popular pets. They are known for being loyal and energetic. So loyal and energetic are our adjectives that we use to describe our pets. Dogs love activities like going for walks, playing, and being around people. Unlike dogs, cats are more independent. They can entertain themselves for hours, but they also enjoy affection on their terms. Cats are also very curious animals, often exploring every corner of the house or chasing after things that move. Birds are another common type of pet, especially parrots. They are known for being colorful and talkative. Some birds can even learn to mimic human speech. Birds love to sing and communicate with their owners, making them vibrant companions. Fish are perfect pets for people who prefer something low maintenance because they are quiet and peaceful. Fish tanks are easy to care for as long as you keep them clean and make sure the fish are fed properly. So when we are looking at different kinds of pets, we could find more than just a dog, a chien, a cat, a chat, a rabbit, lapin, a hamster, hamster, guinea pig, cochon d'Inde, parrot, perroquet, fish, poisson, turtle, tortue, ferret, furet, a snake, a serpent. So these are outside of what we would normally consider our pets, but they are still pets. So what kind of adjectives can we use to describe our pets in English? We can talk about them being furry, so poilu, playful, loyal, aggressive, gentle, nocturnal, fast, wild, domestic, intelligent, friendly, graceful, and shy. And we would use these adjectives with the verb to be, so être. So let's talk to you. Do you have a favorite animal? Write in the chat which is your favorite and describe why you like it or why you feel identified with it. So everyone, please put your favorite animal in the chat and tell us why. Pourquoi est-ce que vous aimez cet animal? D'accord? We will give you a few moments to respond. I would love to hear from you. Donc, si vous voulez, vous pouvez mettre votre avis. Pourquoi? Qu'est-ce que votre animal préféré et pourquoi? Je peux commencer. Alors, ceci, j'ai écrit ici. Alors, I like, moi, so I like horses because they are strong and they are beautiful. Raymond says he likes a dog to go to walk in the forest. Thank you so much, Raymond. David, he likes a panda because he's funny. Very true. Monica says, my favorite animal is a dog. It is nice, loyal, and playful. So thank you, everyone, for sharing your favorite animals with me. Let's see we have one more. Corinne, I love a cat because it is quiet. Thank you, Corinne. Alors, common animals and adjectives. Let's explore some animals depending on their locations in the world. We will first focus on Africa. What animals do we find in Africa and what are their adjectives? So when we look at Africa, this is the map of Africa, and we have all of the different countries. So in Africa, the grasslands are called savannas and range from desert grass plains to those of trees and bushes. The veld, typical of the interior of South Africa, is a vast area of treeless grassland. Together, this open country is home to many of the world's largest land animals. Here you can see that we have the ostrich, the wildebeest, the zebra, the Thompson's gazelle or the springbuck, the secretary bird, the cheetah, the lion. So when you receive the PDF, you can have a look at these images to see the animals that are native to Africa. The elephant is a huge animal with large ears and a long trunk, living in African savannas. We then see the lion is a fierce, golden-colored cat known as the king of the jungle. We have a gorilla, an elephant, a leopard, a hyena, a crocodile, a lion, and an eagle. We've also got the spotted hyena, the black rhinoceros, chimpanzees, baboons, storks, and African penguins. In Europe, let's see what we can find. So you are very familiar with Europe and the countries that belong to Europe. Let's look at some of the animals. From cold boreal forests to subtropical Atlantic island forests, Europe boasts more than 80 different types of forest habitats. For example, the hedgehog is a small spiky animal that sleeps during the day and comes out at night. The red fox is a clever animal with bright orange fur, often seen in forests and fields. Let's look at some of the other animals. A Eurasian lynx, a European starling, a wild boar, a European hedgehog, a red fox, a fallow deer, a great horned owl, an alpine chamois, a white stork, a stag beetle, a field mouse, and a brown trout. What kind of animals do we find in the Middle East and Western Asia? So here you can see a beautiful map of the Middle East and East Asia. It is known as the hot desert biome. Like that found in the Middle East, is characterized by extreme climate, thin, poor soils, and lack of biodiversity. But we still find a beautiful variety of animals, such as the camel, which is a tall, strong animal that lives in the hot, dry desert. The eagle is a fast bird with sharp eyes, often seen in the sky hunting for food. We see other animals such as the common black scorpion, the Arabian red fox, or the Arabian sand cat, the eastern imperial eagle, and the lilac-breasted roller. We have the dromedary, which is a kind of camel, the Arabian leopard, the Arabian oryx, the desert hedgehog, and the Nubian ibex. Beautiful animals. The giant panda is a black and white bear that eats bamboo in Chinese forests. The Siberian tiger is a big, powerful cat with orange fur and black stripes. Some of our Asian animals are also the golden eagle, the gibbon, the mugger crocodile, the kingfisher, the Komodo dragon, the cobra, and the Asian box turtle. When we go to North and South America, we can see this beautiful map showing us what is in the North and what is in the South America. Animal habitats in South America range from the Amazon rainforest to the Andes Mountains. We start with the writing on the right, the llama, which is a gentle animal with thick fur found in the high Andes Mountains. The jaguar is a spotted, powerful cat that hunts in the dense Amazon forest. Some other animals that we find in South America would be the anteater, or the sloth, or the howler monkey, the iguana, the red-eyed tree frog, the toucan, the tapir, the jaguar, and the piranha. In the North America, they include diverse ecosystems like deserts, prairies, and forests. In North America, we would find the bald eagle, which is a large bird with a white head soaring high in the sky. The grizzly bear is a strong and heavy animal that lives in the forest and the mountains. Native to North America, we would also find the coyote, the dolphin, the hare, the lynx, the marmot, the moose, the opossum, the porcupine, and the raccoon. How should we take care of our pets? So here are some common verbs you can use when taking care of your pets. To feed our pets, to groom, to bathe, to walk, to play, to train, to clean, to cuddle, to brush, and to care for. Some common examples are: I feed my dog twice a day. She loves to cuddle her cat in the evening. We walk our dog in the park every morning. He brushes his rabbit's fur regularly. So top tips would be: provide a balanced diet. Ensure your pet gets the right nutrients by feeding them high quality, species appropriate food. Regular exercise. Keep your pet active with daily walks, playtime, or interactive toys to maintain their physical and mental health. Routine vet visits. Schedule regular checkups with a veterinarian to monitor your pet's health and prevent potential issues. Proper grooming, brush their fur, trim their nails, and bathe them as needed to maintain hygiene and prevent matting or skin issues. In conclusion, learning about pets and animals from around the world helps you to connect with different cultures and understand the diversity of life on our planet. The vocabulary is important because it allows you to describe animals and their environment and to talk about how we care for our pets or our best friends. So thank you for joining me for this evening's conference. You will receive the PDF via email so that you may learn the adjectives to help you speak about your pets. Do you have any questions or comments on tonight's conference? No? It's all good? Wonderful. So thank you for joining me, and I wish you all a wonderful weekend. I will see you in the next conference, which is next week. Thank you, everybody, and goodbye.